new glasses, new hat, and new cards. Hey guys, Ken here. Good morning, early morning. It's about 2:30 here a.m. in the morning on the Oregon coast. I'm up as usual. And as you can tell, I got some new glasses. I got them in the other day. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. When I first got them, I absolutely loved them. Just couldn't say enough about them. Couldn't say enough about the company that I bought them from. And but I've been wearing them the last couple of days, and I thought maybe there was a possibility that I was going to have to send them back because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. But I think the thing is, I'm not used to plastic rimmed glasses. I've had wire frames all my life with the little nose pads. The nose pads are built into the frames, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it. I liked them, but I noticed they slip a little bit, and the reason for that is because I have a very narrow bridge on my nose. And my eye doctor, when I was a child, used to call me no-nose because there's not much there. And with the plastic frame glasses, they're a little bit heavier. They're not really heavy, but they're heavier than wireframes, I think. And I just wasn't sure what I was going to do. We ordered 2 pairs. We got such a phenomenal price from this company. They're called iBuyDirect.com. You can check them out. The link is in the description. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I'm not sponsored by them. I just, I put the link down there in case you want to check them out, because originally, I went to the eye clinic here in Florence, in town, and I had to get my eyes re-examined because I hadn't had them checked in like 8 years. So I got a new prescription. That's what I had to, have. And, I know from past experience, this eye clinic, they wanted, for my prescription, they wanted like $600 and up for 1 pair of glasses. $600. I'm like, no, that ain't going to happen in this life. So I went online and I started searching for companies, and then I found iBuyDirect, and they were highly recommended. And that's why I tried them. And their customer service is phenomenal. And they answered all my questions. In fact, the rep we got was so good, he wouldn't even let us off the phone until we were 100% satisfied. But like I said, they do slip a little bit, but I think that's because they're plastic rimmed glasses. And they're a little bit heavier. They're not uncomfortable. I just got to get used to them, I think. I think that's the case. But anyway, if you want to check them out, the link's in the description. Okay, I also got a new hat for the business, and I finally found a company. Actually, it's there's a link in the description for this, but they were a company that actually had a different kind of printing company. My old hat was embroidered, and if you took a photo like this photo here, they couldn't do it because it's needle and thread, and they can't do gradations with needle and thread and stuff like that. But this is a different kind of printing process where I think it's called print to film. They were able to actually print the logo the way I wanted it, with, the Epic Treasure verbiage on there. And it looks great, feels great. But the most important thing I wanted to do this video on was the postcards I just got in. Okay, I know you've been waiting for those. But these are couple of small lots I bought off of eBay. And I'm just going to go through them real quick here. This one is out of 1912. This is a ship. Looks like a passenger ship. Really nice. Here's the back of that. Beautiful, beautiful card. This one is out of 1915. And it's like a schooner ship out of Erie, Pennsylvania. So take a look at that one. Whoops, almost dropped it. Butterfingers. Okay. And let's see, this one is out of 1919, and it's another passenger ship, looks like, under power. That's important. When you get ships, you want to try to get them under power, in motion. There's the back of that. And let me just move that over here a little bit. This one is out of 1911. And this one is the USS Wolverine out of Erie, Pennsylvania. Very nice. Now this one's out of 1927. This is another passenger liner, the Great Buffalo, it's called. Very nice. And this one's out of 1927 also. Another ship, the Great Ship Seanby, directly between Cleveland and Buffalo, Cleveland, Ohio. Again, four stacks there, under power, beautiful card. And these are in excellent shape. Okay. Now this one doesn't have any postage on it. It looks like it may be trimmed, but it's an older card, definitely. I'm not sure what ship it is. Do some research on this one. It looks like an RPPC. I'll have to do some research on this one. See if I can find out some information on that. It's not 1937. This is Philadelphia Avenue looking southeast. Byertown, Pennsylvania. Has a trolley car in it. Beautiful. Here's the back of that. This one doesn't have any postage on it, but it says oil tanker out of, let's see, Barge Canal, Little Falls, New York. So this is kind of a nice card. Not as old, but it's still nice. Looks like a white border. There's the back of that. And this one is out of 1943, which is nice. And the inscription reads 1846. Wow, Christmas greetings. This is definitely 1900s. Like I said, what does it say? 1913, no, 1943. Yeah. Thought it said 1913. Yeah, very nice. This one, 1911. Another ship. Like a foreign language. No, actually, it's some English in it. It's hard to read. It's in red text. Here's the ship. Very nice. The back of that. And what do we got here? This does not have it does kind of have a postage mark on it. It says August 28th. I think this, I had to look at this under my loop, and I think this was like 1913. Looks like about there. It's a red letter card, so it's like a schooner, sailboat. Very nice. And again, this one has a postmark on it in August. Sometimes I'll have to look at it under the loop. Don't know the year yet. I think one of these had 1930, and then the last digit was like gone. But this is definitely 1900s. This is a railroad station. Railroad depots are very good sellers. Very good sellers. And there's the back of that. This is a Tuck postcard out of 1908. Beautiful. I think this is a RPPC. It might be an RPPC. I'd have to look at it under a loop. So, you know, when you look at it under a loop, if you see little black ink dots, then that's a printed card. If you see just smooth, no dots, that's an RPPC. And they're usually around the 1900s. This one's 1908 because they stopped, I think they stopped printing RPPCs around the 1930s or so. But it's kind of a black and whitish type of card. Very nice indeed. Okay, got a few more here. This one's dated 6/21, looks like 49. Is that 49? Yes. Out of Shelter Island, New York. This is looks like a one of those boats that carries automobiles, like a ferry. And nice. Here's the back. And this one, not as old, but it is a ferry, but it's a very nice card, not posted. It's included in one of those lots. See, if you're going for things that are, if you're trying to target certain things, certain subject topics or anything, it's sometimes it's good to go with a smaller lot so you get more of what you want rather than, buy a huge lot and you don't know what you're getting because they're not going to show you every card. This one is Riverhead, New York, September 24th. Oh, this is the one where it says 19. It looks like a 3 there. I don't know. But maybe if I pull up the title, but it's a very interesting topic on this one. It says the races, Suffolk County Fair, Riverhead, I think it's Long Island. Could be New York. I'm going to have to research that. But look at that. Beautiful. It's like the types of races they did, the type of horse racing they did, where they ride in the carriages and the horses can't break stride. I think they call it trotting. So that's going to be very nice. This one's out of 1907. This is, it says Shelter Island Yacht Club and Harbor, Shelter Island Heights, New York. So this is a yacht club out of 1907. Really nice. It's the back of that. And the last one here looks like an RPPC. It says After the Storms, Jones Beach. And it says LI. I'm not sure. It was LI was on this card too. I'm not sure what that means. I'm going to have to look that up. I'm going to have to research that. But this definitely looks like an RPPC. Very nice. Here's the back. That's what I've got for you today. I just wanted to show you the new glasses, the new hat, and some new cards. Just beautiful cards. Like I said, if you ever get ships or anything like that, then try to get them to where they show they're under power rather than at a dock or something. I mean, the ones at the dock have some value. Don't get me wrong. I've sold many of those. But the ones under power, especially if they're close up and if they're out of the 1900s, those could sell for some good money. Okay? So that's what I got for you this morning. I got to get to listing. I had a sale come in just after midnight. I was laying in bed and I heard that cha-ching on my phone. And yeah, I'm going to have to get that packaged up, and that's going out this morning. If you got anything out of this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. It really helps the channel. I appreciate it. I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day and a great morning. Hope you make a lot of sales today, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.